Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, white color. Kids eye coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for airplane, and U is blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids again use blue color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids again use blue color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan, and U is yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for God, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids again use yellow color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and U is red color. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. It's neither numbers, and first letter 1, and U is black color. O, N, E, 1, 2, T, W, 2. Kids again use black color and draw 3. T, H, R, W, 3. 4. F, O, U, R, 4. 5. F, I, V, E, 5. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.